Mangesh, can you hear me? Fine. Let us start the class. I will tell you what is Salesforce and all. Okay. So before I'm going to discuss about what is Salesforce, let me write. See guys, today's class is very simple. No complicated at all. Very simple. Very simple questions I'm asking. For all the questions, you have the answers. I'm not going to ask any difficult questions. Okay. Hello. Acharji. Everybody,
yes,
please
sure.
unmute and talk with me, guys. Everybody, please unmute and talk with me. No problem. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Feel free. Treat me like your friend. Okay. I'm going to write some names here. Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, Google, SAP. What are all these?
Yes, sir.
These are product-based companies.
Yeah, very good. Very good. It's a product-based companies. Good, Gaurav. Product-based companies. Or the other way around, we can call it as what? Vendor companies. Understand?
Vendor company.
Good. So these are all
Salesforce also vendor company, na, sir?
Yeah, exactly. Salesforce, like these companies, Salesforce.com is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff is ex-employee in Oracle company. He resigned the job over there. He started his own business in 1999. The company name is called Salesforce.com. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Have I heard this name? Cloud computing?
Yes, sir.
So down the line, a bit later, I'm going to discuss about what is cloud computing and all. But in the meanwhile, I need to discuss some important points. Okay. So Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, Google, SAP, Salesforce.com. These are all what? Vendor companies. Salesforce.com is a company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. Okay. One more question I'm asking. See here. TCS, Wipro, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture. What are all these?
Service-based companies.
Very good.
Yeah, Infosys.
Service-based companies. The other way around, we can call it as what? Development companies. Isn't it? I'm going very slow, guys. Very slow. Just try to understand. If you do not understand any point, ask the questions. Don't interrupt. Sorry. Please interrupt. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So there are two types of companies in IT industry. There are two types of companies in what is this? IT industry. The first one is what? Product-based companies.
Product-based company.
Second one is service-based companies. Now I'm asking a question. What is the difference between these two companies, guys? What is the difference between product-based companies and service-based companies?
Product-based companies, they make their own product or they
Good.
develop their own product. And service-based companies, they use that product and serve their clients.
Excellent answer. Really good. Who's speaking?
Jayanta, Acharji.
Acharji, really good, Acharji. Very good. Very good answer. Excellent. So as you said, vendor companies or product-based companies, they're manufacturing their own products. That's our one. Like software products. Like operating systems, have something like programming languages, databases, packages, technologies, applications. All these are comes under what? Software product. Suppose take the example of operating system. Windows operating system. For Windows operating system, who is the vendor company? Microsoft. IBM company developed one of the database product name is called DB2. Like that, Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called Oracle. Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. Advanced Business Application Programming. Yes or no? ABAP. So ABAP is a programming language. For this language, SAP is a vendor company. Email is an application developed by Google company. Oracle is a database developed by Oracle company. DB2 is the database that is developed by IBM. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft. Like that, .NET is a technology that is developed by Microsoft. Like this, these are all software products. And all these software products are developed and manufactured by vendor company. And using these products, service-based companies or development companies, they are going to develop software applications. They're going to develop what? Software. But they develop the software applications for whom? For whom they will develop? They will develop the software application for other
customer clients.
Yes. So there is a third important person in IT industry. Those people we can call them as clients. So development companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of clients. So clients are nothing but business people. There are different kinds of businesses on the market. We have something like banking sectors. We have something like insurance companies. We have something like hotel industries. We have something like education institutes. And we have something like automobiles industry, telecom industry. Yes or no? There are different types of business domains in the market, isn't it? Suppose take the example. Coming to ICICI Bank. ICICI belongs to banking industry. LIC belongs to insurance. Hotel industries like Kamath Hotels. Or we have something like, what do you call, Taj Group of Hotels. Education institutes like JNG, Stanford University, Oxford University. These all comes into education institutes. Automobile industry like Hyundai, Maruti Suzuki.
Maruti, Suzuki,
Yes, Toyota. Toyota. There are different companies. Okay. Kia. Like this. These are all automobile industries. Telecom industries like what? BSNL.
Reliance.
Airtel. Reliance.
yeah.
Okay. Vodafone. So many companies are the Idea. Okay. Like that, we have different types of business domains in the market. So these people are going to use software applications in their business. Here, my question is, why these people are using software applications in their business? If you go 40, 30 years back, we had banking industries in the market, insurance companies also there, hotels also there, education institutes also there, automobile industries also there, telecom industries also there. All these business domains are also there, even 40 years back also. But if you go 40 years back, just try to understand this point very clearly. Someone need to mute, guys. Some noise around you. If you go 40 years back, if you go to any bank or any hospital or any insurance company, they do not use any software applications in their business. They did the business through manually only. That's or no? Everything on paperwork, file systems. Speak out all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Completely manual. They do not use any software application. It's not automated. Yes or no? My question is, what is the extra advantage? What is the extra advantage of using software applications in the business? Does anyone can tell the answer, please?
Processes become faster.
Excellent answer. If it becomes faster, what is the advantage for us?
So you can create more business opportunities.
So obviously the most important point is what do you call saves your time. Yes or no?
Reduce the time, securities.
Yeah. Next, any other advantage? Any other advantage?
More business.
Yeah. Once you save your time, you can do a lot of business. Yes or no? 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Laptop is charging down. Please wait. So, the first foremost advantage is what? It saves your time. So how it saves your time? For example, very simple question, Emma. Very simple point, guys. Acharji is my friend. Okay, Acharji. You are my friend, okay? And myself is Sai On. And you are my friend. So I'm talking about 40 years back. 40 years back, my friend Acharji asking me 10,000. 40 years back, 10,000 very huge amount or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes or no? Okay, fine. Listen the class just like a story. Understand everyone here? Fine. I have the account in SBI, State Bank of India. He is having the account in, let us assume, Punjab National Bank. Where? NB. Punjab National Bank. Understand? So I want to transfer some amount, 10,000, into your friend's account. So what I have to do? I have to go to the bank, SBI. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. They're given some token to me. After that, I can withdraw some amount. And I need to walk down to where? Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit the amount into my friend's account. Tell me, the whole process takes near about at least minimum to minimum 1 hour time or not?
Yes.
It takes minimum to minimum 1 hour time. Yes or no? That is long back story. But nowadays, suppose today, I want to transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account. First of all, I no need to go to the bank. Yes or no? First of all, I no need to go to where? Bank. I can simply open the laptop. I can open what? Net banking application. Or I can use my mobile banking application. Or I can use what? Phone Pay.
हो गया ये
Google Pay. Or I can use what? Paytm. What are all these? Net banking, mobile banking, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm. What are all these? These are all software applications or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? So if I'm using software applications, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account within a span of just minutes of time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out. Every day we are doing the same job regularly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So according to this example, what you understand is if you are using software applications in our daily life, day-to-day activity, so is it saves your time or not?
Yeah, it saves me time. Yes.
So that is the first advantage. Coming to the second advantage, somebody told security. That is also a very important aspect. Yes or no? So how security will get? Simple point. Very simple point. I withdraw the amount 10,000 rupees. I need to walk down to where? Punjab National Bank to deposit amount to my friend's account. In the meanwhile, somebody tapped my wallet. The whole 10,000 rupees are lost. 40 years back, 10,000 rupees very huge amount. Yes or no?
Yes, exactly.
Speak out. I want response from your side. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
It means that if you want to perform any transaction outside the market about 40, 30 years back, even 20, 25 years back also, you have to carry the liquid cash with you in your pocket. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then only you can perform any operation outside. Then only you can buy anything outside. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But nowadays, you no need to carry the cash with you in your pocket. The only thing you require is what? Your mobile is enough for performing all kinds of transactions in the outside. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Mobile is required, and also you should require what?
Internet
Your
connection.
balance in your account. Yes or no? In your bank account, you should have balance. Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then only you can perform any operations. So tell me, once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your money or not? Yes. Or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Clear? So this is the second advantage of what? Security. The third advantage is scalability. What is this? Scalability. What does scalability means exactly? Right now I am staying in Hyderabad. Where I am staying? Hyderabad. And my friend staying in, let us assume, of course, Acharji is staying in Kolkata. Yes or no? What is this?
Yeah. Yes.
Kolkata.
Yeah.
Okay. 40 years back, if you want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I need to go to the bank SBI where I opened the account. There I'm going to take withdraw form. I need to withdraw the amount. I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Kolkata. I need to go to the Punjab National Bank where my friend is opened the account, that branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Do you know? Why? Because these two banks are completely different banks. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Banks are different, branches also different. That is why 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank and one branch is nowhere related to other bank. But once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. Yes or no? That is the reason. That is the reason nowadays you can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere, anywhere to anywhere across the globe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Exactly.
I'm taking online sessions for US people, Canada people, Australia people, Germany students. I have lots of students across the globe, guys. I have lots of students from morning to evening. I am conducting so many batches across the globe.
Yeah.
Understand? They are sending the fees. They are sending the fees through what? Through online. They do not come to India and they do not give the money to directly. Yes or no? That is not practically possible also. So they are sending the fees through what? Through online. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
like that, we can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere across the globe. So it's all comes under what? Scalability concept. Scalability means what? We can achieve. Okay, we can integrate all the departments, all the companies, all the banks, all the branches across the globe. This is we can achieve through what? Software. Now, I hope you understand the advantage of software, using software applications. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the first advantage? Saves your time, security, and the last and final one is what?
Scalability.
Am I clear this point, guys? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
This is only one side of the coin, guys. This is only one side of the coin. Now I'm going to talking about the other side of the coin. Other side of the coin means I'm talking about difficulties. What are the difficulties of using software applications in the business? What are the difficulties of using software applications in the business? This is the point I'm going to focus. See, guys, without understanding the difficulties, you people can't understand the concept of what?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Why cloud computing come into the market? Before you understand that point, first of all, you people need to understand what are the difficulties of using software applications in our business. For this, I'm going to give an elaborate example so that you can clearly understand. Just try to understand, guys. Suppose I'm a business person. I have a company called XYZ company here. This company is going to start maybe next year. For this company activities, I need some software application. I need some software application. I given this project. I given this project to a company called TCS. In this particular example, TCS is a development company. From TCS point of view, XYZ company is what? What is this?
Client company.
Client. Understand the point here. So TCS is going to or need to develop the software application as per the XYZ company requirement. Is all of understanding the scenario now?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, if TCS wants to develop the application as per the XYZ company requirement, now TCS needs some programming language or not? Speak out.
Yes.
And also
yes.
they need some database. They also need some database. Without having the database, without having programming language, it is not possible to develop any application, whether it's small application or bigger application. You need minimum two things, programming language and also what? Some database. Am I correct?
Yes. And
Yes,
also
sir.
servers.
Yes, of course, that is extra thing. I'm talking about software pointer I'm discussing. Software, minimum two things are required. Programming language and also what? Some database. In this particular example, TCS decided to develop. In this particular example, TCS decided to develop the application using .NET technology. Which technology? Come on, all of you. .NET technology. Clear, all of you. Now tell me, everyone, and try to understand. If TCS wants to develop the application using .NET technology, is TCS need to purchase or is TCS need to buy original licensed software from Microsoft company or not?
Yes.
Why? Because .NET software developed by whom? Vendor company is Microsoft.
Microsoft.
That is why TCS need to buy original licensed software from vendor company, that is Microsoft. It's worth around approximately maybe 10 lakhs. Let us assume like this. Understand the point here? 10 lakhs. Clear, all of you? Understand?
Yes.
Good. But .NET technology is not only sufficient, they need database also. Yes or no? That is why TCS decided to use Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. Oracle database original software product cost is around 15 lakhs. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yeah.
In this particular scenario, in this particular context, TCS invested how much altogether? 25 lakhs. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
TCS
Yes.
invested how much here? 35 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Tell me, TCS invested 25 lakhs on these two products. TCS invested 25 lakhs on these two products. And they developed the project as per the XYZ company requirement. My question is TCS can use these two products lifelong, forever and ever? Oracle database and .NET technology. Is
No.
TCS can use lifelong?
No.
They're given the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years only. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Speak out. After 5 years, again, they have to renew the software. For renewal the software, again, TCS need to invest some extra amount. Yes or no? To whom? To vendor companies.
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yeah.
So TCS developed the application and they deploy the application to the client space, and client is going to use the application tomorrow. Now tell me, if client wants to install software application in those systems, in those client systems, the client system also requires .NET software and Oracle database or not? Then only this application can run.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this application cannot run. So here, client also need to buy these two products from vendor companies or not?
Yes.
Yes. So in this particular context, client invested 25 lakhs. At the same time, development company also invested how much? Approximately 25 lakhs. So altogether, 50 lakhs business getting to whom? Getting to vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good, guys.
Yes.
50 lakhs business revenue coming from clients and development companies. To whom? To vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. That too, these two softwares, they cannot use lifelong. They have to keep on, because versions keep on changing. Yes or no? Whenever the version change, they need to buy the new software, new version software. Yes or no? So whenever they change the version, they need to install the software. And also they need to maintain the software. That is why in this particular example, both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on, installing the software. They need to keep on updating the software, and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. What is the exact meaning of maintaining the software here? Maintaining the software means, for example, both clients and development companies I'm talking here, both clients and development companies, they have to maintain their own database servers. They have to maintain their own network systems. And they have to hire the employees who are experts in DBA, database administration, network administrators. Yes or no? They have to pay the salaries for those people.
Yeah.
Because it's all comes under what? Maintenance cost. Clear, all of you? Maybe 5-6 years back, I hope all of you remember that, 5-6 years back, in Chennai city, continuous rains almost 10 days. What is coming to the offices, to the server rooms? All the systems are collapsed, database servers and all. Almost 10 days, all the companies are completely closed. And those 10 days, almost $10 billion they lost. It all comes under what? Maintenance. That is why clients and development companies, they need to keep on maintaining the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on upgrading the software whenever version change. So these are the three major intricacies. These are the three major difficulties are facing by development companies and also what? According to this example, what you understand is both clients and development companies, they need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on upgrading the software. And also they need to keep on maintaining the software. Yes or no?
Yes.
So guys, these are the three major difficulties of software applications in the real-time scenarios. I hope you understand the difficulties. Advantage is okay, that's a different point. But you have to understand clearly the difficulties, the problems, the flaws in software applications. I hope you understand. Acharji and rest of all the people.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Good. So, because of this problem, because of these difficulties, what happened is it leads to setup cost. Setup cost means cost will increase day by day for both clients and as well as development companies. Because of setup cost, only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Because small companies, they are caring about what? Maintenance. They're caring about cost. They're caring about upgradation. They're caring about what? Installations. All these headaches they have to maintain. So they have to face. That is why only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Maybe for your understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. I hope you all of you know about KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. Okay. Tell me, suppose I'm going to the KFC. I ordered one burger. The person who is standing in front of the system, he takes my order. He enters my order into the system. He given some token to me, printed token. I need to wait for some time. After some time, I will get the order. Is it happens or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. You're right.
Yes, sir. Now tell me. Once you enter into the KFC restaurant, you can see some systems over there. They're having its own software. KFC has its own software to run the business. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Suppose in Hyderabad, I'm going to a small bakery. I'm going to a small bakery. Even the bakery guy also selling same kind of burger. I'm going to the bakery. I ordered one burger. Then a person standing in front of the counter, he takes my order and he given the order to me. They do not maintain any systems. They do not maintain any software. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in this particular example, KFC and bakery, almost both are similar kind of business. But in this example, why KFC using software applications in the business and why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. Their company business turnover in crores. But whereas in, recall, small bakery in Amirpet or Hyderabad, somewhere else, okay? So only one branch. Their business turnover in thousands or max to max lakhs. That is why the owner of the bakery is not affordable water setup cost. That is the reason. Only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. In this particular example, I can say KFC is a top level company, and whereas bakery is a small company. I hope you understand this example. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone, Acharya, you understand?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. So according to this example, what you understand is only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Okay. Why the small companies are not using? Because they cannot afford what?
Cost.
Cost. That is why. Tell me, if you reduce the setup cost, you reduce the cost, then customers will increase or not?
Yes.
Very simple business funda. Yes or no? If
Yes.
you reduce the cost, then automatic customers will increase. For example, right now I wore Calvin Klein t-shirt. Which t-shirt?
Calvin.
Calvin and Klein t-shirt. This t-shirt cost 5,000. Tell me, out of 100 people, how many people afford this much of cost? 100 people. Maximum, max to max 5 people. Sir, no. 5 into 5. How much business Calvin and Klein company will get? Only 25,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Simple calculation. In case if Calvin Klein company given the same t-shirt with same kind of texture, same kind of fabric, same kind of comfortness, everything, same company, same given the same t-shirt, they reduce the price from 5,000 to approximately 2,000. They reduce the cost. Tell me, out of 100 people, how many people can afford? Near about 80 people. Yes or no? They will get how much? 160,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how? Reduce business increase or not? Revenue increased.
Increased.
Because customers are increasing here. Once customers are increasing, your business is going to grow. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But how the customers are increasing? Once you reduce the cost. If you reduce the cost, customers will increase. If customers increase, reciprocally, business will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
That is simple business funda. Yes or no?
Yes.
Jai.
So here also the same funda applying by vendor companies. Same funda is applying by whom here? Vendor company. Understand everyone here? They want to decrease the setup cost. How? How they decrease the setup cost? How they decrease the setup cost? That is why they come up with a new concept name is called what?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
They come up with a new concept name is called what? Cloud computing. The cloud computing major goal, cloud computing major motto. The motto of cloud computing is to reduce the setup cost. Once you reduce the setup cost, then customers will increase. so that they will get more business, more profit. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
So what is cloud computing here? Cloud computing concept is very simple, guys. It is not a rocket science. It's not a difficult technology. Very simple, fundamental, very simple concept. Very simple concept. You can understand easily. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it's a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services you require, whatever, what is this? IT services.
IT services.
Everything provided by vendor company. Everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? What is this? Internet connection and access those services. Once again, I'm repeating. Cloud computing is a concept, or I can say it's a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. And how much services we are using? For that service only we have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. This is called pay-per-use model. What is the model name?
Pay-per-use model.
Or a plug-and-play model. Mr.AnjiReddy.
Yeah.
Or I can say IT services on demand.
So what is the meaning pay-per-use model?
Pay-per-use model means how much services we are using. For that service only we have to pay. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Shall I?
Please, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Very simple. Listen carefully. Suppose I want to check my mails every day. Maximum, max to max, 5 to 10 minutes per day. I want to check my mails. What is this? Every day, 5 to 10 minutes max. And I want to take, what is this? Printout. Whatever mails I got, I want to take the printout. This is my regular process, everyday process. Tell me, if you want to check my mails every day, 5 to 10 minutes, if you want to take the printout, first of all, I need to buy some laptop or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
And also I need to buy some printer or not.
exactly. Yes.
I need to take some internet connection or not.
Right.
Yes.
Internet connection. And every month I need to pay the rent for these people. 1,000 rupees or 1,500 maximum. That's or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Printer cost around 30,000. Laptop cost is around 50,000. Okay. So approximately altogether, I need to invest how much?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Tell me.
Almost 1 lakh.
Almost 1 lakh. Investing 1 lakh rupees for just browsing only 5 to 10 minutes per day. Is it ideal investment?
No.
I think
No,
no.
sir.
Sir, no.
No.
See, instead of investing 1 lakh unnecessarily, simply I'm going to internet center. There I'm going to check my mails 5 minutes or 10 minutes. There I'm going to take the printout. For 10 minutes browsing, I have to pay 10 rupees. For printing, maybe 5 rupees or 10 rupees. I just come back. Sir, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
tell me. In the
Yes.
internet center, who buy or who purchased all the laptops? Internet center owner. Yes or no?
Right. Right. Sir.
Yes.
Who buy the printer?
Owner.
Internet owner. Who took the connection? Internet connection.
Owner.
Owner only.
Same
Internet center
owner.
owner from ISP. ISP, Internet Service Provider. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means the whole setup is maintained by internet center owner. Why am I here? I'm a simple user. I simply go there and use the services, how much I want, and how much services I'm using. For that service only, I have to pay. Suppose if I'm using only 5 minutes, I have to pay 5 rupees. If I'm using only 10 minutes, I have to pay 10 rupees. If I'm using 1 hour, I have to pay 25 rupees. If I'm using 5 hours, I have to pay maybe 100 rupees. Yes or no? So
Yes.
like that, how much services I'm using, how much amount of services I'm using. For that service only I have to pay. This is called what? Pay per use model. Now understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand? So here also,
Yeah.
cloud computing means vendor company, everything provides. Everything provided by whom here? Vendor company. Whatever services you want, everything provided by vendor company. You need only internet connection. We can access, we can use these services. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understand.
So as a user, how much services we are using? For that service only we have to pay. Apart from that, everything is maintained by whom here? Vendor companies only. So that in the traditional model, the older model, both the clients and development companies, they have to install, they have to update, they have to maintain the software in their own. But once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, and maintenance, everything will be taken care by vendor company. Point clear? That is why once cloud computing in the market, both clients and development companies, they release the button on what? They release the button from upgradation, installation, and maintenance. Because everything is taken care of by whom here? However, speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Vendor company only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is a simple concept of what? Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
Now everyone understand what is cloud computing now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood.
Everything provided by vendor company. Whatever services you require, everything. You want software service, they will provide. You want any hardware, they will provide. You want any memory space, they will provide. You want any networks, they will provide. You want any database, they will provide. You want any operating system, they will provide. You want any programming language, they will provide. Clear all of you?
Yes, clear.
Nothing you don't need to install in your local machine. Your application, your database, your company application, everything is maintained by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just use the service, and how much services you are using, for that service only you have to pay. Tell me guys, a simple question I'm asking. We have banks. In the banks, we have locker system.
Yes.
You got guys?
Yes.
In the banks, we have lockers.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the advantage of locker? Whatever gold we have, whatever jewelry we have, whatever documents we have, okay, everything
Yeah.
can place in where? Locker.
Okay, sir.
That is a safe place or not?
Safe.
Yes, safe.
Instead of keeping all the jewelry, documents and all in our home, in our safe, instead of that, better to keep in where? Bank locker system.
Bank locker
Locker.
system.
That is more safer than what? House.
House.
Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So if you take a locker system, if you take a locker from the bank, so it's a bank, every month we need to pay the rent for the bank or not? For locker.
You
Yes.
have to pay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So depending on the space, suppose SBI bank is there. Okay, depending on the space. If you take a small space, every year you have to pay 7,500 rupees rent. If you want big space, we have to pay 15,000. All of you understand? Why we need to pay? Why we need to pay to SBI here? Because we are going to use SBI bank locker space. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In that
Yes.
space, we have to keep all of your jewelry and documents and rest of the things. Clear all of you. So for that, we need to pay the rent or not?
Yes. Need to pay.
The same way here also, here SBI is nothing but your vendor company. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Vendor company. Your locker system, your space, that is nothing but your, what is this?
Memory.
Memory space. This memory space belongs to whom here? Vendor company.
Vendor
And
company.
in this memory space, your applications, your database, everything, your applications, your database, company database, everything you have to place in here. This memory space. This memory space
Yes.
belongs to whom?
Vendor
Vendor
company.
company. So vendor company provided their memory space as a service to all of us. Yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
for that, we need to pay the rent for them or not?
Need to
Yes.
pay,
Need
sir.
to pay. Yes.
So here memory space is nothing but what? It's a hardware or not?
Hardware.
It means hardware only.
Yes, it's hard.
Okay. Suppose if the vendor company provides any programming language, or if the vendor company provides any database, or if the vendor company provides any operating system. Tell me, operating system, programming language, database, is it software or not?
The software, sir.
Software.
So vendor company here provides hardware and as well as what?
Software.
Software also, as per your requirement. Whichever you want, you can use it. And how much services are you using, for that only you have to pay. That is as simple as that. Clear all of you. If any vendor company provides hardware as a service, if any vendor company provides what? Hardware as a service, then that kind of service we can call it as infrastructure as a service. IaaS. What is short name? IaaS.
Application as a service.
Infrastructure as a service. Point clear, Acharji?
Yes.
Yeah. If any vendor company provides software as a service, that can be called as what?
PaaS.
Platform as a service.
Yes.
Platform as a service means here vendor company provides programming language, database, operating system as a service to all of us. Then that kind of service can be called as what? Platform as a service. Complete platform. On this platform, developers can develop the application as per the client requirement with the help of what? Programming language, database, and operating system. The complete development environment given the vendor company to the developers, on which developers can develop the application as per the business requirement. That kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. Short name is PaaS. On this platform, developers develop the application and they're given the application directly as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service can be called as what? AAA. It stands for application as a service. What is that?
Application as a service.
Or SaaS.
SaaS.
Hope you understand this. So like that, vendor company provides altogether how many types of services here? 3 types. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, last and final is what? Speak out. Software as a service.
Yes.
Like that, vendor company provides what? 3 types of services over the cloud. The development companies and also clients. Infrastructure service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So last 1 hour, we just discussed about 3 major points. Point number 1, the point number 2, and the point number 3 is, point number 1 is what is Salesforce. Point number 2 is what is cloud computing. Point number 3 is what is this? Services given by cloud computing. Understand all of you?
Yes, understood.
That is what? Infrastructure as a service,
platform as a service, and software as a service.
Hope you understand this point clearly.
Yes.
Speak out.
Yes, understood clearly.
So regarding these 3 points, if anybody have any queries, you can ask the questions, please.
Yeah.
So is Salesforce affordable for small company?
Yeah, why not? Depending on the services what you are using, for that only have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra.
Yes, sir.
Is this point clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Everyone in the class?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Vijay, Vinay Panchal, Acharji, Karthik Reddy, Prithviram, Shailesh Parmar.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, understood.
Understood.
Good.
Yeah, understand, sir.
If anybody have any doubts, you can ask the questions. No doubts? Good. And one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. See guys, course duration is 3 months. In this 3 months, I'm going to cover 6 modules. Module number 1 is configuration. Module number is development, integration, administration, CRM, something like what? Lightning. So these are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in the syllabus. Clear? And every day I'm going to take 1 hour class. So I'm going to start a new batch on Wednesday, the coming week, Wednesday, the coming Wednesday, between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
So it is not tomorrow 7 p.m.
Tomorrow?
So yesterday, I mean on Friday, I got news. I mean I got information. It will start on Monday 7 p.m.
It's not Monday. It's I think it's a Wednesday onwards.
Okay, sir. Noted.
Not tomorrow, Wednesday.
So do we have any morning batch? Acharji this side.
Sorry?
Do we have any morning batch?
Morning batch, morning batch I'm offering with some other sessions because my session starting at morning 6 p.m. 6 to 7, I have US batch. Completely, it belongs to US only. 7:30 to 8:30, I have another session. In 9 to 10, I have another session. 10 to 11, I have another session. Morning 6 to 11, I am completely occupied. Continuous back-to-back sessions. So evening 5 o'clock, I have another batch, and 6 to 7 recently started a batch. Even of course, can you come down at evening 5 o'clock possible?
Evening, actually, so 5 to 8 is the time we have 2 different meetings and scrum calls.
Yeah, I understand.
In my company.
But very soon I'm going to start a new batch in morning time. So
if it's a morning time or it's a weekend batch, it would be very good for me. So then I could attend all the classes.
Okay. First of all, please tell me who is speaking here?
Acharji this side.
Acharji, okay. So not only Acharji, everybody in the classroom. So how you feel about the session? Is it user friendly? Is it understandable?
So this is Dhanabal. Yes, sir, it is understandable. It is interesting actually.
Is it informative?
Yeah, very informative.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a passed out from 2020 batch, BTech CSC stream.
Okay. As a fresher, your doubt is as a fresher, can I get a job in Salesforce?
Yeah.
And listen carefully, both freshers and as their experience also, you will get the jobs. Understand all of you? Prithviram, suppose you 2020 passed out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, initially, you don't go for people company. Go and join small company. Even though, forget about the salary, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 per month, just leave it.
Okay.
So salary is not important for you. First, you have to grab the information, grab the technology. The experience, at least 6 months to 1 year. Okay, if you join a small company, so that you'll get more scope to understand, more scope to learn more points. Okay. So once you grab the experience, okay, next year you can go for some other company level, CML level 5 company, Infosys, Cognizant and all. You can demand more, no problem.
Okay.
But go for small companies.
I have another doubt.
Karthik, go ahead.
Yeah. From these 6 models, is there like a Visual Force?
Yeah, that is comes under development part.
Okay. And again, it's for 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., right? Or it will continue for 3 months, or it will change according to the time?
Yeah, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I will start a new batch. What is your doubt? Tell me once again.
It will continue for 3 months, or it will change the time from like in another one, I mean 1 month or again so.
Okay, suppose 6 to 7 is okay for you? 6 to 7.
Yeah, it's 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. is okay for me, sir. I'm employed in a company.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It
Okay,
will
6 o'clock
will
not
continue
possible.
for 6 months, or it will again change the time for 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. or like that.
Actually, 6 to 7, I recently started a new batch just 3 days back. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is, if I club the batch between 5 to 6, 6 to 7 is okay for you?
Yeah, okay for me, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? Rest of the
Sir,
people?
what any coding language in this? What is what we need to go? Any program language?
Apex programming.
Only Apex, sir.
Only Apex. And no need to bother about the programming. One more
Yes,
important point. No need to bother about the programming. Maybe some people got it out. Sir, I don't have any programming skills. Can I understand Apex programming language or not? Don't bother, guys. I'll make you masters in programming next down in 3 months.
Sir, I have 2 questions.
Okay.
Understand?
Sir, this is Dhanapal.
Yeah, Dhanapal.
Sir, actually, I have 6+ year experience in the full stack developer. Can I switch over to Salesforce?
Why not happily?
Sir, but I don't have any experience, sir, in Salesforce.
Arey Baba, at least you have full stack experience. The other guy,
Yes.
you don't have experience out there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Why didn't I compare with him, Dhanapal?
Okay, sir. Sir, on one more question, sir. Actually, I watched your demo already, sir. Many YouTube all YouTube videos I have watched your classes. Sir, can I join 6 to 7 batch or 7 to 8 batch, sir?
Yeah, first you join 7 to 8 batch. After 4 days, I'll club your batch between 6 to 7. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
From Wednesday onwards.
Okay, sir. Noted.
So, how do you feel about my YouTube classes?
It is really good. I can understand, sir. Actually, I'm from Tamil Nadu. I can understand your English. It's very easy for me.
Tamil Nadu, which place he belongs to? Subramaniam?
I'm actually nearby Erode, sir.
Erode. Okay, fine. Actually, evening batch between 6 to 7 p.m. there is a lady called Bharati, and she belongs to Chennai.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And morning batch Navarasu is there. Navarasu. His name is Navarasu. He also belongs to Chennai.
Okay, sir.
Good. There are many people belongs to Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Sir, so Acharya, this side, the doubt remains for me. That is there any weekend batch? If morning batch is not available, I could join in a weekend batch also. Not a problem for me.
Weekend batch, we are not to plan the weekend batch because weekends I'm occupying with some other US batches in Acharya.
Okay, sir.
Maybe I will. Please ask to the Durga management. Any weekend batches are there, they will let
Okay. Because this 7 to 8 p.m. this time, actually 5 to 8 this time, I'm real busy with US clients.
Yeah, I understand.
Because,
I understand your position. I understand the concern. But very soon I'm going to start a new batch at morning time. Definitely, we will inform you.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Keep in touch.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this Vinay?
Vinay this side, sir. I have doubt. I am in telecom field experience.
Okay.
6 to 7 year experience in telecom. Right now, currently working Vodafone Idea, but I can switch my job in software.
Why not?
So we can get the
Vinay,
job.
I'll give you an example. I understand your question. Actually, 3 years back, one of my students named Sriram.
Yeah.
He's having more than 45 years age. I think so.
Sir.
And he is having more than 20+ years experience in sales side.
Okay.
Sales. He don't know about what is the definition of computer also. Even spelling of computer also, I can say. Understand? Vinay?
Yes.
But maybe somehow he fed up with the current job. That is why he is planning to come to software side. Maybe one of his friend advised him, go and join sales. So sales was really good, helpful for him. Like that, he came to me. He joined my batch. Okay. After 3 months course, took another 6 months of time.
Okay.
So altogether 9 months he spent continuing on this. 9 months. He cracked the job finally on Salesforce. Now he's working as a developer, senior developer in one of the MNC companies.
Okay.
The only thing what I'm expecting is what you have to do hard work at least 3 to 4 months. Sorry, 3 to 4 hours per day.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Prithviram.
Irrespective of any background, everybody can learn Salesforce. It is very easy for you. I'll make you understand the subject, guys. I know, na? Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand. Understood.
Yes, sir. Do we have any recorded session available for this?
Yeah, they will provide the recordings, running notes, material.
No, so right now, is it available? All the entire course in the recording?
No, that is not available.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
How it is available to complete course?
No, so actually, evening batch, I am also not comfortable, so that's why I asked.
Yeah, if you want recordings, they will provide the recordings. Or otherwise, please contact me. See, 95534 95532. This is my number. If you have any queries, please contact me. Regarding recordings, running material, everything. Whatever you want. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Apex అనేది CoreJava లా ఉంటుందా ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుందా?
Almost similar like C language, C++, Java only.
అవునా? మళ్ళీ డెవలప్మెంట్ పోతే ఎక్కువ ఇబ్బందిగా ఉండదు కదా సార్? అంటే నాకు కొంచెం కోడింగ్ లో కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
No problem. I know na. I'm here. I'll make you master in programming.
Okay.
Just blindly believe me.
Thanks.
Anything else? Thank you.
Just want to join the course as soon as possible, sir, but the timing is a problem.
I understand, Acharji. Anyway, please take down my number. Okay. Keep touch with me. Whenever the batch starts, the morning time, I will inform you. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
If you have any further queries, you can message me on this number. Don't call me. Message me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, sir.
With your name. With your name. Okay.
Sure.
I hope all of you enjoyed the session today.
Yes, thoroughly. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Subramanian.